Hi guys, my name is Bob. In this video, I'm going to show you the solution to the integration of e to the power x cosine 3x. But before I do so, if you guys like the solution, help me press the thumbs up icon below the video to bring this video out onto the top of the search so that more people can get access to this solution. And also, if you guys like integration problems, Maclaurin series problems, consider subscribe to this channel. So for this particular problem, we will use the technique called the integration by parts. What does integration by part tells us? It tells us that if I were to take the function and break it down into two different terms, one is u and the other one is dv, this is equals to uv minus the integral of v du. So to find out what is my v, I simply integrate dv, and to find what is my du, I differentiate u. For this particular example, we will let u be equals to cosine 3x. Right, so this will be u, and then my dv is actually e to the power x dx. To find what is my du, I differentiate u with respect to x. This gives us negative sine 3x times 3. In which multiplying both sides by dx we will get du is equals to negative 3 sine 3x dx. To find what is v, we simply integrate dv, which is the integral of e to the power x dx, which is equals to e to the power x. Once we find out what is my u, v, dv and du, we can use the integration by parts formula to move on to the next step. So the next step solution will be u, which is cosine 3x, times v, which is e to the power x. Subtracting away the integral of e to the power x du is negative 3 sine 3x dx. And we will just make the answer a little bit more simple. We will get e to the power x cosine 3x plus 3, the integral of e to the power x sine 3x dx. The next step, what we will do is we will perform the integral, which at the second term using the integration by parts formula. This time around, we let u be equals to sine 3x, and we let dv be equals to e to the power x. To find du, we differentiate u with respect to x. This gives us 3 cosine 3x. Multiplying both sides by dx, we get du is equals to 3 cosine 3x dx. To find what is my v, this is the integral of dv, which is the integral of e to the power x dx, and this is equals to e to the power x. Once we find what is my u, my du, my v and dv, we can use the integration by parts formula to move on to the next step. So what we have here is as follows. So we have e to the power of x cosine 3x plus 3 square bracket. Our u is sine 3x. Our dv is e to the power x. Subtracting away the integral of v, which is e to the power x du, is 3 cosine 3x dx. We open up the square brackets by expanding, so we will get the following, which is e to the power x cosine 3x plus 3 e to the power x sine 3x, subtracting away 9 integral of e to the power x cosine 3x dx. What we can see from the integral is the same as what it is in the question. So the next step, what we will do is we will add both sides of the equation by 9 times the integral of e to the power x cosine 3x. What we get is the integral of 10 e to the power x cosine 3x. This is equals to e to the power x cosine 3x plus 3 e to the power x sine 3x. And we can actually bring the constant out of the integral sign. Last but not least, what we will do is we will actually divide both sides by 10. So what we will get is the following. So the integral of e to the power x cosine 3x dx is just equals to e to the power x cosine 3x plus 3 times e to the power x sine 3x divided by 10 plus c. Right, and this is the final answer to the integral of e to the power x cosine 3x. If you guys like the solution, help me press thumbs up icon to beat the YouTube algorithm, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye guys.